HiroshimaSpirit!
Have you ever looked at the interior of your Mazda2 and thought, man, this could be better? I used to think that, but I changed it. And you can too. All you have to do is hop on eBay, type in Mazda2 AC knobs, send 10 of your dollars off to China, wait 2-3 weeks maybe for free shipping to get the knobs to your front door, and the rest is easy.
New garage.
Also,
Oh my god, new garage.
welcome to my new garage.
Finally.
It was a package deal. Came with the reason I've been busy for the past couple of months. Once your new knobs arrive from China, you will find that they are of a surprisingly high quality given their price and country of origin. There's some real weight to them, a knurled edge for your fingers to grab when you turn the knobs, and a nice brushed aluminum look ring on the front that complements the rest of the interior. It's good stuff. Removal of the old knobs is simple, but requires a little bit of force depending on which one you're trying to remove. The center knob can be removed by hand. It just takes a little bit of tugging. The ones on either side of that, however, they click in, so you can't just pull them off by hand. They're pretty secure. You need a little help. Now, of course, if you ever want to use these again, you should probably protect them from the jaws of the pliers, but I don't intend to use these again, so I don't care. Out they come. Voila. And 2 for the show. You may also notice that the female ends of the knobs are slightly different designs, this being the center knob and this being the ones on either side of it. These knobs don't come with any kind of instructions, and I didn't notice this the first time I was installing them, so I was really confused when they weren't going on, but then I looked at the back and I noticed, oh, so just keep that in mind. And now comes the tough part. Oh, man, I should have had a spotter for that workout. Doesn't that look way better? So what about Daytona? Well, between my desire to drink with my friends and the fact that Mazda had a double retirement and full-on half the race was run under full course yellow or completely stopped with a red flag due to the weather, there really wasn't much of a race to record anyway, so there's not going to be much from Daytona this year, but there are a couple of funny moments that I'll throw in here at the end. So stick around, and I hope you guys enjoy. Oh boy. Hold it and I'll crack it. Collaborative effort.
Yeah. Welcome to Dataless Zero YouTube channel.
Wrong channel name, my name's Dave.
HiroshimaSpirit!
My family at home.
Yeah!
Are you going to one?
Yep.
You are now, that's for sure.
HiroshimaSpirit.
Whoa.
You didn't push G, dude.
Who's driving this thing?
Sorry, we're full.
Oh, yeah.
No, come on. That's
in.
a hard no.
I got G, we're good. Watch, we stop on 3.
You're 1 NG?
Stop at everyone. Maybe not.
Oh! I hate this game.
Is this like the
Let's
tower?
see we go back up. Bye. Come on in.
Have a good one. See you later.
I love you. If we get enough, we'll definitely get down. Who's driving this bitch anyway?
I was, but not this guy.
Yeah, clearly.
He got us lost.
Whoa!
I don't trust this fool as far as I can go.
Alright.
There we go.
Hey, we're on G.
Yeah, the escalator went faster.
Hello. You talk good.
Wrong decision.
Yeah.
When he does that.
None of this water is gonna be consumed.
Yeah, red light Hemi.
Maybe next year will be different, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. I also wanted to remind everyone who may not have seen and has been waiting, stickers are restocked in my Big Cartel store, so head on over there if you're keen on one. There's a new design as well as all the classic favorites. There will be a link in the description for my store, as well as the knobs you've seen in today's video. Anyway, that's it for me this time. Thank you all so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.